G'day everyone, look, welcome to episode number 1, well the first video of Home Show Grown. Now this is just really a recap of what we did when you came down to EcoTown and were part of the Home Show. If you remember, or you should remember, you should still have your egg carton. I'm going to show how to plant them, just in case you've lost yours, or even if you want to get involved and you weren't at the Home Show, you can still do this at home. All you need is an egg carton, just like that one, some decent soil. This is a seed raising mix, a little bit different from a potty mix, and it's going to allow those seeds to raise up really well. And you need some quality seeds. We got ours from the Diggers Club because they do a quality seed. It's important you use a quality seed to make sure this is all going to work for you. If you've ever tried to grow something before and it hasn't grown, it's probably because you're using dodgy seeds. So make sure you get good ones. I'm just going to pop 2 peas in each one of these egg cups like that. And the reason I do 2 is because there's more chance of germination, which means one of those 2 will grow, but more than likely both will. But that's all right, because what we're going to do is remove one of those seedlings as it starts to grow up. We keep the strongest one. Also, we're putting in a little bit of lettuce, just so we've got a little bit of variety, all right? So we'll pop a few extra ones in there, and once again, we can thin them out as they start to grow up. That was it, if you remember. All we did then was top it up with a little bit more of our soil. And you're just going to wait for further instructions. So in the next movie that I send you, the next episode, just got to remember where the lettuce was. And that one was the peas. In the next one, I'll show you where you should sit this at home, okay? And how much water you should be giving it. Don't forget, everybody, the veggie pot is up for grabs, all right? Who doesn't want to win the veggie pot? That's what we're going for, all right? So get growing, wait for the next video. It'll only be a couple of days. I'll show you how to water them and where to sit them. All right, good luck everybody. Happy growing.